Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Dead Man's Flats, Alberta, a small community located in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Situated just east of the town of Canmore, Dead Man's Flats offers a peaceful retreat with stunning mountain views and easy access to outdoor adventures. The name Dead Man's Flats has an interesting history. It is believed to have originated from a local legend about a man who was found dead on the flats near the river. While the exact details of the story may vary, the name has stuck, giving the area a unique identity that reflects its colorful past. Dead Man's Flats is nestled in a valley surrounded by the majestic peaks of the Canadian Rockies. The area is characterized by its rugged terrain with mountains, forests, and the nearby Bow River, creating a picturesque landscape. Today, Dead Man's Flats serves as a gateway to the many recreational opportunities available in the region. From hiking and biking in the summer to skiing and snowboarding in the winter, the area offers something for everyone. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, this charming spot invites you to experience the natural splendor and tranquility of the Canadian Rockies. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Dead Man's Flats, Alberta.